Welcome back to health class. Today we are going to be talking about another body system. We are going to be talking about the respiratory system. So the functions for this system is that it moves oxygen from the outside of the environment into the body. It also removes carbon dioxide and water from our body. And the respiratory system is also linked to our cardiovascular system, which we already learned about. It also helps with the cells with getting oxygen and removing carbon dioxide from them as well. Major structures. So we do have the lungs. The lungs are two organs that remove oxygen from the air and passes it into the blood. Then we have our nose and our mouth. Those are the openings that pull air from the outside into our body. Then we have our trachea. This is passages connecting our throat and our lungs. And then we have our throat. The throat is a tube that delivers air from our mouth and our nose to our trachea. And those are the major structures to this system. Your body needs oxygen. We all know that. Oxygen helps us stay alive. It also helps with our headaches. So when we have oxygen, it helps relieve our headaches. It also boosts our other systems. Oxygen also helps with our human cells. That helps with our aging. It also helps us not feel so tired as well. And it also helps support our breathing of air in cases, for example, when we have asthma or allergies. So our oxygen is very much important for our bodies. As you all can see in the picture right there, this is the path of the air into our body. So of course we start with our nose. We inhale the oxygen or the air around us, and then it keeps going into our body until it reaches our lungs. So it goes through a couple of phases before it gets into our actual lungs. Then we have another picture right here. This one is a transfer between the lung and the blood. So the CO2 is picked up from the blood, then our CO2 enters our system. Then the tissue, the cells, pick up our O2 from the blood, and then because it's out of our system, out of the blood, the CO2 enters the blood, and that is how the transfer works. How do we breathe? So like I said, we inhale the air, which then it goes down to our ribs, and then it goes into what we call a diaphragm. It is a large dome-shaped muscle used for breathing. And then from that part, it goes back up to our ribs, and then it comes back out from our nose. So that's how we inhale and we exhale air. For your assignment, everyone, all you have to do for today's assignment is just answer those questions right there. If you guys do ever have any questions or need anything from me, please let me know. I can help you guys all out. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys all very, very soon. Bye, everyone.